conversion. Oh, okay.
Just hold on, guys.
Okay, can go.
Okay, you continue with your work. I'll be with you right now. Hello. This is Gogo speaking, yes. Oh, Margaret, my darling, how are you? I'm so good. Yes, thank you for calling. And where are you? At a school. You are a principal. Oh, Mdanam, I remember you said you wanted to be just like me. So where is the school? Japan. I nearly jumped out of my skin. It's Japan. Gembela. I am so proud of you. Thank you for staying up till so late just to speak to me, man. Yabonga Mdanam. I'm proud of you, Gembela. Good night, eh? Oh, Margaret. Nina? You mustn't be listening to people's conversations. It's not polite.
All we heard was you have someone in Japan and it's in the middle of the night. It's night there. I don't know what's going on.
And so what?
It relates to our homework, Gogo. Time conversion.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember. Okay. Time conversion.
Did you say it was the middle of the night there?
Yeah, it was Piwe. Do you remember the lesson we had about the Earth rotating on its axis and revolving around the sun? Do you remember?
I remember that lesson. So to us, the sun looks like it's revolving around the Earth, but it is actually us that are revolving around it.
Actually, it is the Earth on its axis, and this is the sun, and the Earth rotates on its axis, and it revolves around the sun.
But Coco, I still don't understand how the rotating of the Earth around the sun and on its axis has to do with Japan and the time of day there.
The rotation of the Earth on its axis and revolving around the sun allows planets to experience day and night.
And because of the Earth's round shape, it is impossible for all sides of the Earth to experience day at the same time.
Oh, so if the Earth was flat, it would be like shining a torch down everywhere.
Yeah,
exactly. So imagine it like this. This is the Earth and this is the sun. As the sun is shining this side, it's day, and this side it's dark, so it's night, because the sun is not shining there.
Good to Mvuko.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Coco, I don't see how any of this is getting us any closer to being able to calculate the time of day anyway.
I said this is the sun. This is the Earth. It's on its axis. And the Earth rotates around the sun on its axis like that. So Mvuko just explained it is night if the sun is this side. And it's night, this side is day. So why don't you understand?
How do you calculate the exact time?
You and I are talking about time zones, Mos.
Time zones? What are time zones?
I think it's time to go to the wonder room for this.
You just took the words out of my mouth.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Whoa, Gogo, this globe is big. I've got a small one in my room, but this is just really big.
And I love globes. You know, I have a game that I play with myself. You know what I do? I close my eyes, I hold onto my globe, and then I spin it like that, and then I put a finger.
So, Coco, which country did you pick?
It's in Bone. I don't have my glasses on. Give me my glasses, they're in your pocket. Let's see what I chose here.
Oh, Naziko.
It's in Bone, it's San Diego. It's San Diego.
San Diego.
That looks interesting, Gogo. I should try it one day. Thanks for the idea.
You're welcome, Dana, but then let's go back to our lesson of time zones.
God, perfect, Coco. What are time zones?
Okay, for you to understand that, we'll have to come over to this whiteboard. Okay, now the Earth is divided into groups of countries through similar time zones, right?
Yeah.
Now, can you see these lines here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Gogo, aren't those longitudinal lines?
Yes, Mvuko. Now let me tell you. You see these longitudinal lines?
Yes.
They tell where time zones start and end.
Oh, okay.
And the Earth has 24 time zones.
So is that why we have 24 hours in a day?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so Coco, one longitudinal line represents 1 hour.
Yes, PM Tanam singasho njalo, but let me explain this. Angithi the earth is a sphere, it is round, ne?
Yes.
It is at 360 degrees, right? And a day has how many hours?
24, Coco.
1 day has 24 hours. So what do? We divide the 360 by 24 hours. What do we get?
15
We get 15
degrees.
Therefore, it means the distance between the two longitudinal lines is 15 degrees.
You see, Coco, now that makes so much sense.
So in other words, the Earth rotates 15 degrees in each hour.
That's true, Gogo. That means places in 2 different time zones have a difference of 15 degrees minimum time zone apart. And that means the difference between their time zone is 15 degrees.
So, Coco, what does it mean when Johannesburg and Polokwane have the same time zone?
It means they're in the same place. Akuna mehluko.
Oh, so Coco, does the whole of South Africa use one time zone everywhere?
Yeah, but Spirit, for the purpose, the country goes to school, we work, we do different things, therefore we do things at the same time zone. For instance, at Durban, in summer, the sun rises just before 5 a.m., but in Cape Town, it rises 30 minutes later.
So, Coco, is that why, when I'm watching cricket at home live and it's dark, Mara at Cape Town, it's as bright as day?
Gunjalo mfana, because you see, as the earth rotates, so does the sun move from the right to the left. Yabon? Yeah. Then it means Durban comes before Cape Town.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's the middle of the night in Japan, because the sun has passed there long ago. Okay.
Now, guys, I want you to recognize something here. Can you see this line?
Yes, Gogo.
Do you know what it's called?
The Greenwich.
The Greenwich Meridian.
Yes.
Okay, so time zones are measured from this line, from the east to the west. So the time zones, here they are. We have the +2s, +3s, +4s, and then we have the -1, -2, -3. All of them are measured from the east or the west of the Greenwich Meridian. Therefore, that means Uguti, the UTC, which is the Coordinated Universal Time, it represents these ahead or behind time zones.
So that means we are +2 in front of the UTC?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we have another example so that I can see that you understand?
If I look at Rio,
okay.
Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. So Rio is at the blue.
It's minus?
It's -3. So if I count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours.
Ahead or behind?
Behind.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you understand, Vuku?
Yeah, I've got another example, I think. So,
okay, you want another example?
Yeah, so okay. Japan is UTC +9, right?
+9, yes.
And then South Africa is UTC +2.
Yes.
Means we're 7 hours apart.
Yes. And who is behind, who is in front? Ahead.
Japan is ahead.
It's behind.
Is it?
It's ahead, Coco.
Is it ahead?
It's ahead.
We are behind.
Yes.
We are +2.
Yes.
They are +9.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, Coco, that means that countries in the same time zone as us have the same time, like Greece, so it has the same time as us.
You got it.
Okay.
Okay. So, Spirit, remember when we were coming to Gogo's house, we were talking about the different time zones and the places we want to visit?
Yes.
So I've got an idea. Can we go to the kitchen and I'll show you what we're going to make?
I can't wait to see what you're going to make.
Let's go.
My eyes. What's your plan?
Okay, so we'll be making a board of world clocks.
Wow. That's wonderful.
I also agree, Coco. That's like amazing. So how are we going to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, before we start anything, we need to choose the 6 places we're going to do the clocks on. Okay, so I'll go first. I'll choose Cape Town because I want to visit the National Botanical Gardens there. and because I want to visit Robben Island.
Okay. It's Cape Town and what next?
I'll also choose Vancouver. Let me write that down.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And then when I get, you choose in.
Coco, I think this should be obvious. I mean, I'm choosing Madrid.
Oh.
Because it's home of the biggest Spanish soccer clubs. Then I'm gonna choose Rio de Janeiro because it's home of Neymar.
Do I have a pencil, please?
A pencil.
Yes. Okay. I will choose Osaka, and then I will choose Munich.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to find the different time zones of our cities.
Okay.
Oh, before we get it.
So let's say we start with Cape Town
Yes.
as a reference.
Okay.
So let's say Cape Town is 1 o'clock.
1.
Then what is the time elsewhere, right?
Is it 1 p.m., Coco?
1 p.m.
Okay.
So Cape Town is 1 p.m. 13 hours. Then Munich will be.
I think I got it.
What's next?
We can create our clocks.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna start cutting the hair.
Here are your 2 clocks.
Thank you.
Here, you.
And then can we have some?
Can I borrow this? The blue permanent pencil.
Yes.
Here's the same.
Thank you. Can I have that red?
The red.
Thank you. Thank you. So, may I have a ruler, please? Thank you.
Yeah. This is so cool. 9,
If Cape Town is
10.
1 p.m., what time could it be in Osama?
I think maybe 12. 8 p.m. Oh, yes.
3.
Okay.
So Coco, out of these 6, which country do you want to visit?
Mina?
Yes.
Funuya, where my school girl is, my former school pupil.
Oh.
And she's the principal there. Osaka. I want to go to Japan. She just invited me, and guys, I'm going to Japan.
Really, Coco? Put me in your suitcase, ne?
I can't be babysitting no man say Japan.
How Gogo, please.
Sure, you don't understand, guys. Yo, I'm ecstatic. Really? Yeah, Osaka.
I was thinking the other place. I was thinking about yeah.
It's 8. Put the pins
Is that supposed to open this?
The time for the check. Thank you.
It's 8.
And it's almost done.
Okay.
9 2. Just got a few more things.
When was the last time you saw Tabang, Gogo?
Hey, lawyer.
Oh, what did he do now?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Must come and visit us one day.
Yeah, I think so. Come and teach us a thing or two.
Yeah.
But about what?
About dancing, jiving.
Oh!
Hey, utaba kuyajika madoda, ujika madoda, jika majika. Uyajika utabang. Hey, this one.
Okay. And then almost done.
Down is one, I think. Cool, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
So if in Cape Town it's 1 o'clock, then in Munich is
12 p.m.
PM.
Yeah, that's just right. This is AM.
Okay. Come on, Gogo, again. Let's pierce through here. Let me pierce through here. Okay. That's easy. That's 12. Just put them together. The small one on top of the big one.
Okay. Maybe you should also make Utabang a one for which place would you like to go to?
I was done a little suit, Lord.
Okay. Okay. Listen.
I'd love to go to the Setu.
Okay.
Masenkandla.
Masenkandla.
Gandla.
Oh. Sure.
Okay. Okay. Sesipiwe,
Yes, Gogo.
why did you choose the cities you chose?
I chose it because of Ronaldo. As you can see, my watch is named the Ronaldo Madrid and also the soccer ball. And then I went to Rio, the home of soccer stars. Then that's why it's called the Rio name.
Okay.
Yes.
Mvuko?
Okay, so I chose Vancouver because it's the greenest city in the world.
Oh, yes.
And then I chose Cape Town because it's got the breathtaking botanical gardens that I really want to visit.
The mother city. Okay, I chose Osaka because my former student, Margaret, is a principal in one of the schools. And as I said, she asked me to please come visit her, and believe you me, I'll be going there. And then Munich in Germany. You know Gogo, she loves German cars. That's me. Yeah.
Okay, so in Cape Town, it's 1 o'clock, and in Vancouver, it's 3 a.m. Okay. So then what time is it in Madrid?
So in Madrid, it is 12 p.m. And then in Rio, it is 8 a.m. Then what time is it in Osaka?
Okay, in Osaka, it's 8 p.m. and in Munich, it's 12 o'clock noon.
So in Munich and Madrid, they're both 12 at noon?
Yeah, it happens.
Oh, wow.
It happens.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's remember this. If Cape Town is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, remember that Madrid and Munich are 1 hour behind. Then if Cape Town is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then Rio is 6 hours ahead. Then if Cape Town is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then Osaka is 7 hours ahead. Then if Cape Town is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then Vancouver is 11 hours ahead.
Okay, so guys, today we made our own conversion clocks and you can too. Send us pictures on how that goes. You can send us on our WhatsApp group or even our Facebook page. Or you can even email us on epichangout@sabc.co.za. Don't forget to watch our YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!
Bye, we love you!
And the clock goes tick, 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 boom. Ah, tick, 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 tick.